Timothy Thomas here. I would like to welcome everyone to our Wealth Step-by-Step team webinar on demand. In this webinar, we're going to be talking about Wealth Step-by-Step, the product, and our exclusive direct mail postcard marketing system. I am super excited about Wealth Step-by-Step and our direct mail postcard marketing system that we have created for our team. But first of all, let me talk about Wealth Step-by-Step as a company. Wealth Step-by-Step is a global network marketing company in the $4.2 trillion health and wellness industry. Wealth Step-by-Step was founded by our founder and CEO, Mr. Adam Walker, on February 19, 2021. The company is based out of West Valley, Utah. Mr. Adam Walker is an experienced network marketer. He is the owner of previous companies and has the ability and has the opportunity to work closely in the network marketing arena, specifically in the administrating sector, and has discovered that a number of people that were not having success. So he developed a product because he had a passion to change this industry. After closely examining some significant factors that resulted in average and ordinary people not having success in the network marketing industry, such as expensive setups, monthly auto ship, complicated pay plans, Mr. Walker decided to use his passion and his experience to design a user-friendly program and has totally eliminated all the obstacles that have prevented good and hardworking people from having success in the network marketing industry in times past. Now let's talk about Wealth Step-by-Step, the flagship product. It's called Probiotics Plus. Did you know that probiotics are live bacteria that are good for your health, especially in your digestive system? We usually think of bacteria as something that causes disease, but your body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics is often called good bacteria that can help keep your gut healthy. Our Probiotic Plus is not only prevents the good bacteria, but it's also designed to balance your microbiome and the immune of friendly bacteria that lives inside your gut that play a vital role in keeping you healthy. Our probiotic product has 40 billion CFU and is shelf stable, meaning it does not need to be refrigerated. The special HMPC vegetarian capsule will only dissolve in the small intestines. It has a pH of 6 to 7. The capsule will not dissolve in the harsh stomach acid, which has a pH of 1 to 2, but it can protect the friendly bacteria until they reach the ideal environment. Here's a video that I found on YouTube about the health benefits of probiotics. Take a few minutes just to watch this video, and what you will hear that will be very shocking and very educational. Welcome back. Now that you understand some of the benefits of taking probiotic, let's talk about how simple you can earn some serious cash each and every month by sharing our Probiotic Plus product and the Wealth Step-by-Step business to others. What I am going to show you is an illustration of monthly potential earnings. There are no guarantees. Through this illustration, your personal results can be fully dependent upon your own efforts and the efforts of your group. Wealth Step-by-Step is a 3-wad, 10 levels deep, forest matrix pay structure. But to keep it simple of explaining the compensation plan, I will be illustrating just a 3-wad, 7-level deep forest matrix pay structure. The pay bottle that I will be showing, will represent only 3 step-by-step members purchasing just 1 bottle of our probiotic supplement for $30 per month. And then each of those members personally is enrolling 3 members into Wealth Step-by-Step, and they doing the same down through 7 levels. You will earn a $4 commission for everyone that purchased the product in your downline. Folks, here is a copy of the force matrix. Pause the video and look at it. Take a look at the 3x10 force matrix pay structure. As you can see, you have personally enrolled just 3 Wealth Step-by-Step members, and each of them did the same down through 5 levels. Now you can see that you can earn a total of $1,452. In order for you to earn a higher commission, you must purchase one additional bottle of the probiotic supplement. By purchasing just one more bottle of our probiotic supplement, now it opens the door for you to earn a lot more money, over $13,000 a month. A total of 2 probiotic supplements will cost about $60 per month. When your team members in your group start purchasing their one additional probiotic supplement, this will cause levels 6 and 7 to fill. And when this happens, this is going to give you the true residual income of $13,116 per month when all levels 1 through 7 are completely filled. So, just so you know, if a member that you have personally enrolled purchase their additional bottle of probiotic supplement before you do not get paid on that member until you have purchased that one additional probiotic supplement. Let me say that again. Just so you know, if a member that you personally enrolled purchase their one additional bottle of their probiotic supplement before you do not get paid on that member until you have purchased one additional probiotic supplement. So please purchase your one additional probiotic supplement as soon as possible to avoid this from happening. Let me ask you a question. Would an extra $13,116 per month, what would that do for your family? What would that do for you and your family? You can maybe stay in bed every day knowing that you'll never need to go to a job again. You can live anywhere in the world or wherever you wanted to. Drive any cars that you wanted to drive. Take your family on a dream vacation. Imagine no financial stress in your life. As a Wealth Step-by-Step member, the possibilities are unlimited on how much you can earn each and every month. Now that you understand the Wealth Step-by-Step compensation plan, we have come up with a simple way for you to introduce this business opportunity to others. We have developed a turnkey direct mail postcard marketing system. And all you do in order to introduce Wealth Step-by-Step business opportunity to others, just mail or pass out our highly responsive postcard. We have 2 sizes, 4x6 or 5x7. You choose the size that you want to purchase. This is how our postcard system works. We're going to take a bigger look at the postcards at the end of the video. You just mail your postcard to others. When your prospects have received your postcard, they will visit our team website and watch the very presentation that you're watching now. Once the prospects see how simple this business is and how life-changing it can be each and every month from the comfort of home, they will be ready to sign up for a member. You never have to personally sell anything or explain the opportunity to anyone ever. Folks, it doesn't get any easier than this. So just know that our postcard marketing system is exclusive to your secret Plan to Wealth team members. Nobody outside of our group has it. Now, in closing, let me tell you with 100% certainty that people are living with absolutely no financial worries because they were wise enough to take advantage of a great opportunity when it was presented to them. The only way that you're going to make enough money to live in this chaotic economy without struggling financially is to supplement and to completely replace your current job income with a business that is ethical and legal. Also provides us with the potential to generate as much money as we want and or ever desire. If you are unhappy, so if you're unhappy with your present financial situation, and you're looking for more, then consider Wealth Step-by-Step and join our team today. We believe there's no other business opportunity with as much potential for financial, personal, security, and time freedom with so little risk. For those of y'all watching the video right now, if you have not joined our team yet, I urge you to get back with the person who have invited you to this webinar on demand. Get signed up as a Wealth Step-by-Step member today. And you will be given the business opportunity, a business opportunity that could financially change you and your family life for the good. But only you must decide whether or not to take advantage of this. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Guys, here is a picture of our postcards. They are absolutely amazing. Our 4x6 postcards, that's the front side. Your domain name go here. This is the back side. Beautiful postcards, folks. They are converting extremely well. When you become a part of our team, you will get access to that 4x6 postcard. Here is our 5x7 postcard. Beautiful postcard. And it does the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. Pause the video, take a look at it. Also, here is our product, our flagship Probiotic Plus product. Get started today, and we will see you at the top.